a setter, make your best version with this video. 1. Keep your ready position. Bend your knees and hands up a little. 2. The net should be behind you. It helps to see the back zones better. 3. When the serve is with the opponent team, take a quick look at the person who is serving. 4. If the ball is not received well, you must quickly get under the ball. 5. After you go under the ball, raise your hands. 6. The right foot should be in front. 7. Send the pass over the forehead. Important tip: use your all muscles to send your pass. Common mistakes: 5 exercises to have a better pass.